We start by drawing our mountain function and then choose some subset of values along the horizontal axis between minus 0.5 up to minus 0.25. All those x's are now multiplied by 2 because that's the action of the g function, and in turn all those x's now are mapped onto the mountain function into the following arc. All those y values now must be attached to the original x values, and plotting these order pairs gives us this new arc. This new arc is a part of the composite function. And now we just repeat the process and choose another subset along the horizontal axis between minus 0.25 and 0. Multiply all those values by 2, giving us the new set from minus 0.5 up to 0. We map all those values under the mountain function, giving us the new arc whose y values must be attached to the values, the x values, between minus 0.5 and 0, giving us a new piece of the composite function, as shown here. Now keep on going. We choose from 0 up to 0.25, multiply by 2, again get the arc, assign those y values to the original x values, and again you get a new piece of the composite function, and so on. Choose from 0.25 up to 0.5, multiply by 2, get the arc, and so on. And that's how we construct, one step at a time, by mapping sets along the horizontal axis under the g function and then under the f function.